Let's check out what I got at Temu. I got a new phone, so I needed a case for it. So I saw this pretty one. It's purple. They have 3 different colors, and I want to make sure that I got one that opens like that so I can sit it down like that. So isn't that pretty? Look at butterfly in the middle. It's gorgeous. And this part here over the camera, I don't know why there's so many lenses on this phone, but this is raised. So if you drop your phone, you're not going to hit the lenses. Because see, that's raised right there. So it helps protect lenses. So yeah, I'm really happy with this case. This case is for a Galaxy S23 FE. So it says on their site, you know, what the cases will fit, so you can get the right one. On to the next item. Before we do that, the case is $10.98 Canadian. I saw these buttons. They were so cute and pretty or whatever, and they come in this nice package, and it's resealable. You just rip off the top. You can reseal it. You can store your buttons in there or anything else, whatever you want. But I just thought they were kind of neat, and they're really flat. I mean, you could even use these probably for paper crafting, which I'm starting to get back into again. But yeah, there's a few different colors. Oh, there's pink in there as well. But they're really flat. I really don't know what size these are. Can we measure? I'm going to measure with my actual ruler. Okay. But 1 inch and less than a quarter. 1 inch and less than a quarter. How's that? That's the wide part that I measured right across there. But yeah, they're nice. They're nice. Okay, so the next, so the buttons were, you get 50 for $3.48 Canadian. Okay, now this is a shawl pin. I know, I just had to have it. Look at that. It's a cup and a spoon. Look at that. It's wooden. Feels wooden anyway. Isn't that like so neat? So this shawl pin was $5.98. Okay, and it comes in a little package here. All right, let's move this stuff because I saw a purse. Oh my goodness. I have a purse. Well, I have a few purses. I have one that's fairly narrow and it's deep. It's too deep. It's hard to find anything in there. You got to dig around the bottom. So anyway, and then I have another smaller one that's too short. So you can get everything in there, or I can get everything in there, but it seems like it's just jammed. So then I saw these. I thought, you know, that, because my other purse probably comes to here, and it's like short this way. And this one was taller. They had pictures of a lady wearing it cross-body, so it kind of gives you an idea of the size it is. Plus, they give you the dimensions on the site. So I thought, well, that might work. And it's cross-body, nice long strap, adjustable strap. And, oh, I'm not affiliated with Temu, by the way. And then there's a wrist strap in there as well. So you have this outside pocket and metal zippers, which, you know, I really like. And inside there's a zippered pocket in the middle. It seems to be lined really nice. The stitching on it is really good. And then on this side here, oh, can you see that in that dark hole? There's pockets as well. There's, I guess, is it 2? I think it's 2 pockets. Yeah. And that's the other side. And metal zippers all over the place. Metal attachments to put your strap on. It's really nice. But you know what? I have to mention this. When I took it out of the package, there's a little bit of a smell to it. Let me smell. Yeah, ooh, a little bit of a smell to it. Probably the fabric they used. So I'm going to hang them open somewhere for a while before I use them. Hopefully they'll air out. And they came in, which was really nice, a dust bag and then the plastic bag. Yeah, so I thought that was really nice. Okay, so this purse was $10.98. Nope. $10.48. Okay, put that over there. So this would be like a winter one, probably. And I saw the exact same thing, but in a different pattern for summer. It's kind of a beigey. And it's you know, it's the same exact purse and comes with the wrist strap. And it's just, I think it's so nice. Yeah. So that's for summer. On Temu's website, okay, on their app, when you go to the bottom, it says you, and you just click on that, and then it says your orders, you click on that. And if there's any price adjustments, because it'll say price adjustment, and I think it was this and maybe this. There was a price adjustment on after I received my order, and it was it amounted to $1 off total. So yes, I clicked on the thing to get that credit of $1. So yay. So that will go in a credit on their site, and when you place your next order, it automatically gets applied to your next order. So check that. And yes, I have not one, not two, but I have 3 more orders coming from Temu. I stayed away from them for a while. I was doing really well. And I fell off the wagon. I fell off the wagon. Thank you, everyone. The next video will be crochet. But in the meantime, check out these videos.